from Views and Gaming, and today I found this game on my computer files, and now I'm playing it. It's called Chipper and Sons Lumber Co. Up there, I saw it was made by Scott Cawthon, it looks like. The guy who made FNAF, so thought why not? So Chipper and Sons Lumber Co. Full. Okay, let's play. New game, font 2, choose my lucky number. Well, little tyke, the day has come. Oh yeah. This was from 2013, so very old. No, not the beginning of summer, or your coming of age, but me throwing you out on your furry ear, which I give this guy a voice. Okay, in a sec. By the time I was your age, I was out building dams, cutting trees, and blowing up termite mounds. Wow. The war with the termites scared us all. Famine, disease, death. I'm eating right now, so I'm gonna stop a few times. None of those things have happened, but it still sounds pretty awful, doesn't it? It might happen if a meteor were to hit, so never trust a termite. They might have a meteor. What the heck does that mean? Who are you? Who are you working for? The Illuminati? Okay. Or do you work for King Asgore, the one who's soon to be the god of the 7 seas? Okay, I'm sorry. Who are you? Now get out there and make me proud. I'm giving you a whole acre of land to the right of a cabin. Plant trees, cut trees. Build stuff, the whole beaver routine. You will get the hang of it. Show me what you can do, and I'll give you more land and more blueprints to build cooler stuff. Go to the right of our cabin. And see your acre of land. Go to the left to visit the other weirdos, or creatures of the forest. I'll give you this walkie-talkie so I can stay in touch with you. Press the button when you see it flashing. Got it. Off you go. Okay. Find it. why don't you try finding a tree and chomping it down? Shh. Shh. Okay. I'm almost there. In another couple years or two. Redwood, regular wood. These tree monsters might hurt me like Goombas from Super Mario Brothers. I really haven't done much Mario Brothers on my channel, have I? Kill them with the water. Oh, that's actually how you kill them? Great. Die. Perish to water. Okay, I'm just gonna put that there. Put that there. That there. In another year or two, I'll get to that tree. Okay. I'll cut to when all three. Never mind. I'll do that another time. Never mind. For right now. I was gonna cut, but then I realized something, so no, I can't cut. And then move on once, you know. Okay, another year or two. Another year or two. Oh, I'll get someone. Another year or two. Okay, we got it. Now let's go. Let's go. Hey, what's this? Ah, look at those whales. What just happened? I was trying to look at the whales, but now I'm here. Fishy used to be a fisherman. Sick. The only thing I ever caught was this. Hey, the marshmallow. Oh, a smelly boot. How depressing. I'm stuck down here. That mushroom won't stop smiling. Here, I found this. Okay, let's go back up there. Okay, let's press that and then... Don't make me fall down. Okay, let's go. Let's plant it. Okay, there. Perfect. Okay, here we go. Down, here we go. There's nothing to do. So I said, Bill, guess what kind of food I'm eating? And I opened my mouth. He was like, seafood? You're an idiot. Sounds like a whale version of Sans. Almost. Or Mr. Hippo for telling stories. Hey, don't forget. This also was made by Scott Cawthon. Okay. Go. You know. You know what? 2 hours later. Okay, it's been 2 hours. I've been going like four. So time to go back again to doing that. 2 more hours later. Finally, I'm here. Okay, guys, we're gonna talk to him and make lumber. Make regular lumber. Task. Why don't try planting a tree now? Find some soil and plant an acorn. You have an unlimited supply. Yeah. Yeah, boy. That's what's up. That's what's up. We got lumber. We got a lumber bot. Okay. That thing looks like a FNAF like a legit FNAF animatronic. My watering can with the flowers on it. Okay, let's go. I'm about to end the video, so first we're gonna be planting trees everywhere. Enough with the spoon feeding. You're a big boy. Go explore for a while. See what you can find. Got it. We're just gonna grab some trees and then the video ends. Mail. Take. Okay, come on. Let's go back up. Well, probably my trees are growing right now, so, what the heck? Great job, Tyke. I knew you could do it. Sure, the wiring pot makes you look a little daisy, but the manly set of beaver teeth more than makes up for. Keep up the good work and I'll keep giving you more land and more fancy blueprints. There's something else I've been meaning to talk to you about, son. It's time to start thinking about the future. For that reason, I've set you up on a date for tonight. Don't worry, I'll love her. Now, off you go. Okay, you got one knocker, one. Later that night. Brr. I have to warn you, my last boyfriend said I was very shellfish. Jokester! Jokester! Where? Okay. Like and subscribe, share this to your friends and family. Peace out. Bye.